Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix user not found on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here, you're going to find your profile section. So right now, if you want to fix user not found on Instagram, first of all, go ahead and change your account. Basically, guys, the this message user not found on Instagram. If you don't find a user, this means one of the two things. The first thing is maybe the user has deleted his account on Instagram, and the second reason is the user might be blocking you on Instagram. So basically, guys, go ahead and change your account, change to another account, and then try to find that user. So once you change your account, go to the search bar and then search for the user. And if you find the user, this means that the user has blocked you on your main account. And if you didn't find the user, this means that the user has deleted his account on Instagram, or maybe he just paused his account on Instagram and you won't be able to find it. There isn't another reason why maybe you can't find the user is maybe you didn't update Instagram for a long time and you need to check for updates. Make sure that your application is up to date and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.